going to show you how to make Darrell Wakelam's egg box monkey. For this you're going to need an egg box, some tape, a pair of scissors and some glue, either some PVA glue or a Pritt stick. The first step is to cut out the shape of the monkey's head from the bottom of the box. Now I didn't cut the lid off the box, which would have made this a bit easier. And I'm just going to turn it over and I'm going to snip off this cone from the back of the box. The next step is to make the monkey's nose, and I used the other end of the egg box for this and cut one of the 6 sections. I cut it in half and sort of fashioned the nose out of that. A few bits of masking tape or sellotape will stick the monkey's nose onto his face. You could possibly glue this on as well. Now I'm going to use these curvy bits of the egg box to make the ears. So I'm going to cut out 2 of these. I'll have to trim these a bit, but you can see how they'll fit into the side of his head there to make the ears. Now I made a wee bit of a mistake here. I used my first ear as a template for the second ear, so both my ears are the same. So I've got 2 right-sided ears instead of a right side and a left side, but it doesn't make a lot of difference. Something I forgot to do was to trim the back of the monkey's head, so that's what I'm doing here. Once I'd finished trimming the back of the monkey's head, I made a slit up the side of the head so that I can put the ear into it. So that's what I'm doing here. I tried to make the slits just the right size for the ears to slot into, and then I realised afterwards that it doesn't really matter if you cut them too big, because the ears are going to be taped in the back anyway, so you don't have to be too careful with this. With masking tape I taped the ears to the inside of the monkey's head. Now I'm going to cut out a small bit of card for the top of the monkey's head. I just cut out a 5-sided shape and I used glue to stick it on. Monkey has a centre parting, so I'm going to cut out a hair using the curved part of the box. Having got this shape here, I'm going to cut this in half, and then each half of that will make one side of the monkey's parting. Now carefully I'm going to cut really thin long triangles into this bit of egg box, and I'm just going to tidy this up a wee bit, and I'm going to bend it so it looks a bit more like hair. And there, that's one side of his parting complete. I'll stick that down with some glue in a second. I'll just do the other bit of his hair first. So that's what it'll look like when it's glued down. Just a few wee bits and pieces to do now, a few wee details to add in. I'm going to cut out this circle here and then cut it in half, and that will form the insides of the monkey's ears. I'm going to use these wee scraps, these little curved bits, to form the outsides of the monkey's ears. So I'm just going to trim them down and then stick them on. The last thing I'm going to do is make a chin beard for the monkey. So with this wee bit of egg box, I'm going to cut a curve in the top and the bottom, like so. A bit like I did with his hair on the top of his head, I'm going to cut triangles, smaller this time, and make his jaggy beard. And then I'm going to cut out 6 small triangles which are going to form longer bits of the monkey's beard. Here I've glued them onto the monkey's beard, and all I have to do now is stick the beard onto his face. So here we have the finished monkey. All that's left to do is to tidy up. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have success making your own egg box monkey. Goodbye.